this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually check the signal strength and the signal quality on your Newmaxs decoder. In case you are having an unstable channel, the channel comes on and off, but you can maybe see a picture but there is no audio, or you can find some picture about 1 or 2 minutes it goes off and it's not stable. So if this happens to be that it's all the channels on your decoder that is doing this, you have to know that the problem is coming from the satellite dish or the LMB. The satellite dish have not been stabilized at a position whereby it's going to get you enough of the signal quality. So you have to place it on the exact channel which is not stable. Most of the channels, since you're going to perform a blind scan through the weather to actually get most of the channels comes with different frequencies, and with these different frequencies, where you stabilize the satellite dish have a primary frequency. So with this primary frequency, most often the channel that is not working that will be having a different frequency far from the primary position whereby you set the satellite dish. So you need to check if that's the problem, or the problem is coming from a TV company. So all you got to do is to just pick up your remote and then you place it on the exact channel. So let's say this channel right here, and then you press on the menu button on the remote, and from the menu page use the arrow keys just to put it on installation, and then you press OK on it. So you need to confirm with the default code on your decoder. If no one have ever changed, it's supposed to be 40. So you type in 0000 for it to open up, and on this page all you have to do is to come to the antenna settings page, and then you press OK on it. So on this page, all you have to do, the transponder of those channel or the channel that you just place it on will display here. Every setting for that channel will be displayed here. You don't have to change anything. All you have to do is to look down below on the signal bar over there. So we have the signal strength, which is 48, and the signal quality also being 38 over there. So I'm having more than 38% of the signal quality, but the decoder is just showing only 38%. So when it comes to the signal quality, that's where you need to monitor the signal coming from the satellite dish. The signal strength actually indicates the signal of your LMB and the active signal of your cable. So the signal strength actually indicates that you are having a working LMB or a working cable. So the signal quality, that's where you need to monitor whether you are having a signal from the frequency where you set the satellite dish to receive a signal from those satellite. So the signal quality, if it's unstable, let's say it comes 20, goes up to 50 or 70, comes down, and it's unstable, or goes red and then comes green once again, you should know that the problem is coming from the satellite dish. It's not in a stable position whereby it's going to get you the particular channel to be stable right there for you. So all you got to do is to adjust the satellite dish, and when it comes to the adjustment, all you have to do to adjust the satellite dish really well is to just lose it a bit, and then you shift it around that exact position whereby you are given a stable signal, and then you're gonna probably get a signal from that particular channel. But most often, if the channel is far from that frequency, is far from the primary frequency, let's say you put it on a different channel right here. Let's select a different channel. You have the BBC over here. You put it on this BBC, and then this BBC having a different frequency far from the dstv primary TP. So you go to the menu, press on the menu button, installation once again to check, come to the antenna settings. So this transponder is different from the dstv primary transponder that you're going to use it to track, which is 12245 horizontal 27500. So most often a channel which is far from the primary TP might be unstable, which means that the satellite dish is not in a position whereby it's receiving enough of those signal to allow that channel to work. And if you don't take care and you try to adjust the satellite dish for that particular frequency to get enough of the signal quality, you're going to lose the main TP signal quality. So let's say you try to adjust the signal quality of this TP, which is 1176766 over there 27500. You might lose the signal quality on the main primary TP, which is 12245 horizontal 2750. So you have to be careful what to do whenever you are having an unstable signal on just one particular channel. So if it happens to be that all the channels are behaving that way, almost every channel on your decoder or from the channel list is behaving that way, all you have to do is that you have to stabilize the satellite dish to get enough of the signal quality to allow the channels to work. So that's it. If this video is being helpful and you are new here, all you have to do is subscribe, hit the bell icon, and you keep coming back for more. Thanks for watching.